Okay, hello for everyone. My name is Edwin Garcia Flores, and today I'm gonna share with you my lesson plan. And I choose a topic about geoculture and English-speaking countries. So the objective with this activity is to identify the countries that speak English as a mother tongue on around the five continents. And then students will listen about British colonies and they will write down some ideas. And to finish, they will write and present a summary and expose the most important cultural aspects of an English-speaking speaker country. So the introduction is going to be agreed when the teacher agreed the students and start the class with a warm-up activity. In this case, the warm-up is going to be a game that is called Name 5, when the teacher proposed different categories and asked students to name five things that fits precisely in that category. Now I'm going to talk about a little bit about the lesson description. As a presentation, we will have we will ask the students to carry out a search, observe the world map, and there they will identify countries that they recognize, and they also know, they are sure that they speak English as an official or as a mother tongue, and they will color it. As a practice stage, the teacher will share a short video with the students, where where he's going to share historical aspects about British colonies over the years and explain, and it will be necessary to take some notes, like to have in order to complete an activity at the end. The introduction, the students organize a test where they summarize the main ideas of what the British colonies have been throughout history, and then as a group they choose a country that speaks English as the official language, and students make a presentation or about the relevant aspects of the culture of this specific country. So to conclude, the teacher will analyze in general, like all over the class. The idea is to check the students' prior knowledge about world geography, as well as the number of countries they know. They nowadays officially speak English as mother tongue, and proposing fun activities during the class. And also as a second conclusion and as a point to close the class, we would say that the British colonies were territories that were globally under the rule of the British Empire. Since then, many are territories that have been under the control of the United Kingdom or its predecessor states. And of course, that's why nowadays they currently speak English as a mother tongue. Thank you very much.